Meaning of enviable.
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 Enviable. Enviable is an adjective that describes something or someone that is highly desirable or desirable to others. It suggests that the object of envy is desirable enough to evoke feelings of jealousy or admiration. When someone or something is described as enviable, it typically means that they possess qualities, skills, or possessions that others admire and covet but do not have themselves. For example, a highly successful person with a luxurious lifestyle and impressive achievements might be considered enviable by others who aspire to similar success and recognition.